What's up, guys? So you want to start a YouTube channel and maybe you don't want to show your face. Maybe you're a little intimidated. Maybe you're a little shy. Maybe you're not camera friendly, but you still want to, start a little side gig, maybe make some money eventually monetizing your YouTube channel. Maybe you want to do a little affiliate marketing with some of your videos. Well, in this brief video, I want to show you 3 different categories. I did 4 right there, but 3 different categories of videos that you can do absolutely without using your face or your voice or even being in the videos yourself. So we're going to jump right into this. And if you do find value in this video, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I'd love for you to be a part of this community. Go ahead and like the video and drop a comment and then share it with your social media platforms so other people can see this video as well. Without further ado, guys, we're going to jump right into this. And I want to show you a couple of powerful ways to make some money on YouTube. We're going to go ahead and do a split screen right now. And one of my favorite YouTube channels on YouTube when I'm just wasting time or just, looking for just something to do, a time killer, is going on to a channel called Fail Army. I don't know if you've ever seen those types of videos, the fail videos that, all it is a compilation of other people's videos. And they take it, they put it together, they splice it, they edit it, and then they upload it. And what is better than just sitting there for an hour watching people almost kill themselves because of crazy, idiotic things that they're doing? I mean, it's really kind of twisted, but people get a kick out of watching other people do dumb things. And so this channel has 14 million subscribers. They've been in business and they've been on YouTube since 2011. And, their description is fairly simple. Every success begins with a failure. Fail Army is for people who go out and try. They laugh in the face of failure and don't take themselves too seriously. Want to join the Fail Army? Send us your video and you could be featured. What a brilliant idea. Is basically you're soliciting other people's videos and people will send you their content absolutely free because they want to be featured on a channel. And you can do this with anything. You can do this on TikTok. You can do this on Instagram, but we're going to talk about YouTube right now. And they leave a link or some type of funnel or an email address where you can send them a video, or people can send you a video, and then all they do is take it, put it in. You can get free video editing software right on your PC if that's what you have. You can go in the Photos app. If you have Windows 10, go in the Photos app of your computer, and you can literally put together a video for free. It absolutely doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to buy any expensive equipment or anything. If you don't know how to use it, there's tutorials on YouTube to show you how to do that as well. So that is one of the categories that is just brilliant. So we're going to dive into Social Blade. Social Blade is a rating platform that tells you a little bit about the particular channel, how many subscribers, how many videos, what country they're from, when they first created their channel, and it tells you their ranking as well as, get ready, drum roll please, how much they can monetize their channel and how much they can make. So they have a B+ rating, which means it's a good mix between engagement, comments, likes, shares, that type of thing. And looks like they're in the United States. And it looks like their estimated monthly earnings is $4.6 thousand per month on the low end. Maybe their views slump really low. For some reason, they're still making $5 grand a month, all the way up to a high of $74,000 a month. And this is strictly from ad revenue. Now, this is kind of like a suggested earning because obviously they're not inside the channel's dashboard, so they don't know exactly. But what they're doing is they're kind of doing some mathematics here and figuring out their views versus their engagement and their watch time and that type of stuff, and then they're putting it together and figuring out what these channels make. And usually they're pretty close, but obviously you see it's a wide range. So from $5 grand to 74 grand is a big difference. So if we take, the middle road there and just say they're making, $35,000 a month, guys, that's a month. And all they do is solicit other people's videos, put it together in a probably free video editing software. Anybody can do it. And then they upload it to YouTube. Obviously, you have to make sure you have good hashtags, you have an intriguing hook or a title in your video, and potentially a good YouTube thumbnail. So let's look at their thumbnails real quick. Okay, some reaction thumbnails. There's somebody in action, maybe a silly pose. So basically the idea of thumbnails is you want people to click on it. So you want it to be enticing enough that people are like, what the heck is going on there? But not giving enough away that they say, oh, that person ends up hurting themselves or falling or getting wet. You don't want to ruin the story for them. So you got to find a middle ground there. We're going to jump into the second category right now. If you found value in that first one, let me know in the comments. Drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you have any suggestions of other categories we want to dive into and look at, feel free to let me know in the comments as well. This particular one, I actually listen to a lot at night. My kids listen to this type of stuff. My wife and I listen to this type of stuff. It's soothing sounds, relaxing sounds. Now, these are fairly easy to get videos for and to get music for as well. And I'll show you a little workaround in a minute. But all this channel does with 6.6 million followers is they upload relaxing instrumentals, relaxing and smoothing sounds. They got rain sounds. They have, wind sounds. It's basically stuff and ambiance that you can use at night or while studying or while meditating or while relaxing. And all they do is compile videos, and usually these videos are pretty long. So they have a couple live channels going right now, which is a very smart idea. So it's a little more advanced if you can get like a virtual machine or another computer that just runs a loop of a particular sound all day long, 24/7. You can get software like OBS and you can hook it up to a live stream and you just let it go and go and go. And people will find it. They'll like it. They'll comment on it. They'll end up subscribing to you. They'll end up coming back for more. So little pro tip right there. But this channel, in short, just uploads relaxing sounds. So a couple websites you can go to is like 𝗟𝗘𝗖𝗜𝗓. So 𝗟𝗟𝗓𝗘𝗖𝗓 is a free, royalty-free stock video platform. So you can type in rain and you have something like this. I don't know if you can hear it, even if it has noise, but if it doesn't have noise, you can go to another website and get noise. But basically, you can take these videos. They're fairly short. You'd have to splice them together, so you'd have to put a whole bunch of them together, make a nice smooth transition so it doesn't look choppy, and then put a little bit of a sound behind it. And there's different websites you can go to get sound. You can go to soundcloud.com. You can just type in royalty-free rain sound. Royalty-free rain sound, and you can go to places, they have a ton of them on YouTube that you can check out. freesound.org. Storyblocks is a paid website. Sound Bible is paid, but there's tons of places where you can find these free royalty-free sounds. You can actually also go onto YouTube and type in rain sound, and then what you can do from here is you can go ahead and filter. And you filter by Creative Commons. Creative Commons is an attribute on YouTube, which means the creator uploaded it with the intent of other people using it. So you can go ahead and take this. Look, this is a 5-hour free rain sound that you can take. You can download it. If you want to download it, you click on the video. Here's another little free tip. I won't charge you for this one. You can go to YouTubeBB.com and then the rest of the video, right? So all you have to do is put in 2 letter B's right after YouTube and before the .com. You click enter and it'll bring you to a website that will actually allow you to download the video in a high quality. So let's see if it'll actually bring me there. Is it PP or BB? I think it's actually PP. Let me try that one more time. So let's try youtube.com/ let's see, PP. I think that's what it is. And yes, there it is. It's not BB, it's PP, guys. Sorry about that. So youtube.com/ 𝗦𝗣𝗘𝗞𝗦.com, and then the rest of what the video is, and then it'll bring you here, and all you have to do is click the download button. All right, so we'll go to check out Social Blade for this particular website, this YouTube channel, Soothing Relaxation. 6.3 million subscribers, 426 uploads. They got an A+, which means they have a very watch and engagement ratio. They're doing really good. This channel makes a low end $200,000 a month through ad revenue to a whopping $333,000 a month with a yearly potential projected earnings of almost $4 million. Guys, I'm just telling you, this is a way that if you have a little bit of time, dive in and devote yourself to setting up at least one channel, uploading a video a week if you possibly can. If you can do more, by all means, go ahead and do more. If you can do a couple, 2 to 3 per week and be on a consistent schedule, by all means do it. Within 3 to 6 months, I guarantee you'll have an amazing channel with subscribers. And once you hit a certain level of subscribers, I think it's 1,000 subscribers, 10,000 views, you'll be able to monetize your channel. And then the sky is the limit from there, guys. Obviously, if you can't monetize with ads yet, you can do some affiliate traffic, affiliate marketing as well, which means you take another product that somebody else already created, a service or a product or a e-commerce item. You take the referral link, you stick it in the description, and you tell all your traffic to click there. When they buy something, you get a commission from that. So we're going to look at the third, and I don't want to keep this video too much longer, but the third category that is a really great category to dive into is funny animals. I don't know about you, but I have been on YouTube and got sucked into the notorious YouTube loop and the rabbit hole, literally, no pun intended, of watching crazy cat videos or crazy squirrel videos for an hour. And then you look at the time, you're like, what in the world am I doing with my life? So these videos are fairly simple to get. This channel has 942,000 subs. And all they do is literally take videos off of, probably you can take them off of TikTok. You can take them off of Instagram. You can take them off of Instagram stories. I mean, there's tools and extensions that you can use through Chrome, Google Chrome, that will allow you to download videos. Best practices are that you always give attribute to the creator and the one that uploaded the video first and where you found it. You want to give recognition to whoever's video it is. Sometimes you can't because they're reshared a million times. So, but for the most part, if you can, in the description of your YouTube channel, always kind of give credit where credit's due. This is just a good rule of thumb. But you can literally take videos anywhere you can find them. Instagram, TikTok, I'm sure even on Pexels, there's animal videos that you can take, and I'm sure there's some funny videos there. And then all you do is you compile them into a I'd probably do a little over 10 minutes. I'd probably do between 10 minutes and 30 minutes. And if you really want to be ambitious, you can do an hour-long video. But with those videos, you really got to keep their attention. So you got to make sure they're really good, high-quality, and funny videos. So for this channel, Dogs and Cats, 942,000 subscribers. They have a ton of videos. Lots of videos have 11 million views, 3 million views. Now just imagine that when they're monetized and they're just raking in the views, guys. Look at this on Social Blade. With a 97 uploads, 2.24 million. It looks like that's a different channel. Let's see. Funny Animal Life. Let's try to look that specific one up. Funny Animal Life. Funny Animal Life. Let's see if it pulls it up. And maybe. Yeah, looks like this is it. 942,000. 940,000. Cool, this is the right one. All right, so they're B+. They have about 75 uploads. They're in the US. Their channel type is people, which is kind of weird because they have animals, but whatever works. And it looks like they're making a $4,000 on the low end per month to $70,000 per month, guys, uploading freaking cat videos and funny animal videos with an estimated yearly income of $53,000 to $848,000. Now, obviously, this is an estimate. This is like a supposed. This is kind of like, this is a suggested. It says the default estimated CPM range from Social Blade is blah, blah, blah. This can be changed in Social Blade dashboard settings. So I guess you can mess with that and tweak some of the settings. But these are estimated earnings. Obviously, I should put a disclaimer in here. Results are not typical, and you'll get out of it what you put into it, and you may not achieve the same success. So let me just throw that out there right there. But at the very least, guys, those are 3 categories, 3 amazing categories where you can make $30,000 a month. All right, let's say on the low end, you can make, each of these channels made about $4,000. You can make anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 to $100,000 a month uploading videos without using your face and without using your voice and without ever being in the channel. Now, it's going to take a little bit of work getting to that place. But guys, my suggestion is do it for the fun. Do it for the fun. Do it for the journey. Don't be so fixated on money, because this is not a get-rich-quick scheme at all. This is going to take months. But if you stick with it, I promise you, you can come back to this video in a year from now if you're dedicated, and you can comment back on this video and say, hey, Mark, thank you so much for letting me know about this strategy to make money on YouTube through uploading other people's videos. Thank you so much. I'm making this amount, and I attribute it all to you, and I'm going to give you an offering, and I'm going to bless you with $10,000. Cool. I'll take it. Or you can buy me a steak. All right. I like steak. Or even an Amazon gift card. Okay. Or a simple thank you would suffice. But just to let you know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you jumping on this channel. Guys, my request for you is that you smash that subscribe button. We want to gain more subscribers. Nail that like button until it turns blue, black and blue. Share this video on your social media network so other people can learn how to leverage the power of YouTube. And last but not least, drop a comment down below, because I want to get a dialogue. Every comment that goes on my page, I personally respond to, and I'd love to get to know you. Check me out on TikTok, where I have about 260,000 followers. I do a lot of short, little 15 to 60-second clips, money hacks, tips, side hustles, and stuff like that. I love you guys. Make sure you live well, laugh a little louder, and learn to be a better you. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.